How to install Chromecast update on your Chromecast devices. Chromecast update. If you want to install Chromecast update on your Android devices or your Chromecast device, or your Google TV, this is how you're going to go about it. First of all, you need to come to the settings. Once you select the settings, scroll down to the system, then scroll down to about us. Then you see the option to update the system, which is system update. You have to make sure that you're connected to the internet via your Wi-Fi. As you can see, my own device is already updated. This is how you can go about updating your device. Thank you very much.